Welcome to Visualizing Data for Libraries, Acquiring Data. The Library Research Service is a freely available web resource for library data. Access it by going to lrs.org through your web browser. Once there, click on Data and Tools in the menu bar. You can choose public libraries, school libraries, academic libraries, or general data. For this tutorial, we will use public libraries, Colorado Public Library statistics and profiles. From that page, click on Go to Survey Data. This dataset covers a large number of fields. To help you decide which fields to include in your visualization, click on Definitions in the Data menu bar to view the field definitions. Sifting through and selecting from this list can be difficult without being able to mark it up, so select and drag the contents of the definitions page. Control-A does not work on this page, so you will need to select to the end and then hit Control-C to copy the contents. Open a new Word document and hit Control-V to paste in the definitions. As you review the available fields, keep in mind those you might want to use in the future. Once you have visualized the data, you might uncover questions that a deeper probe into the data could answer, and it is more efficient to acquire and clean the data once rather than duplicating your efforts later. To this end, color coding the fields will help you keep track of your thought processes and field selections. Select the field of interest and then use Word's paragraph shading feature to color code it. For example, gold could indicate those fields you will definitely use with the current visualization. Light gold those you might use. And pale gold those you probably won't use but might need for future exploration. Once you have color-coded all the fields of interest, use the definitions document as a reference to select fields from the LRS site. In the Refine Results pane, click on the Advanced tab and then on the plus sign to the right of data group headers. Clicking on some fields will reveal subfields. If you leave the parent field checked, all subfields will be included in the dataset. Otherwise, you can select subfields individually by clicking on the checkbox. Although you could select all years of interest at once, LRS formats the data with field headers and year as a subfield header. This requires some involved transpositions to format it for Tableau's use, and exporting the data year by year is less confusing and may be more efficient depending on the number of years you will use. For this tutorial, we will export year by year. Once you have made your selections, scroll to the bottom of the Refine Results pane and click on the Submit button. The data will be updated in the right side window. Click on the first floppy disk icon to export results below in CSV format. Optionally, you could simply click on the master file icon to export the complete dataset for the currently selected year. Save the CSV file to the location of your choice. And then click on the plus sign next to year to unselect the currently selected year and instead select the next year. Hit Submit again. And notice that the year subfield has updated. Repeat the previous steps until you have exported the data for all desired years.